Hello guys, andito kami ngayon sa Jurong. Jurong ba? Jurong Birds Park. So manonood lang kami ng show maya-maya unti. Ay, akala ko manok din.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. A perfect touchdown. It's your time, ladies and gentlemen. Now, many of us might think that chickens cannot fly, but Charlie here has proven us otherwise. Okay? Now, Charlie, you know your way back home, alright? Okay, so right now we are going to highlight the natural behaviors of macaws. So in the wild, macaws love to congregate on trees to feast on fruits and nuts. So right here you see we have a tree and some fruit attached right up there. Now let's welcome our birds. Everyone keep your eyes right behind you. Here comes Gaia, our high-sing macaw. One more thing, joining from up there once again. Here comes Adrian, our scarlet macaw. Now macaws like them can be found in the jungles of South America. Now let's go back to Gaia, our highest macaw. Now here is a blue macaw. In the world, there are a total of
EPA Scarlet Macaw. Now EP is Jurong Bird Park's Go Green for Wildlife Ambassador. EP is so environmentally conscious that he will only use reusable cups containing orange peels.
okay? Now once again, during this segment, please remain seated. Once again, please sit down. We do not want to distract our birds, so please remain seated at all times, okay? Now, okay, trained birds, but not tame birds, okay? Alright, all the way, okay, shutting down the way, get the attention of the bird. Okay, so I still see a lot of people standing up because, okay? Now these birds, they are actually very loyal to one another. Hi, this is Axel. Can you please cut on to your partner? Thank you very much. Now it's time for this lovely couple to head back home. Now I'm going to place them on the stump right here. Now usually when one goes, the other one follows. Our Toko Tukans, everyone. Now what differentiates parrots from other animals is the ability to copy sounds. They do this in the wild for social communication. So the yellow-necked Amazon right here is famous for its ability to copy human sounds. We've got one such, but today, get your video cameras ready, okay? We're going to start with something simple. Can you say hello? Hello! There you go, nice and sweet. Hello, now can you introduce yourself? Can you tell them your name? Hello! Did you catch that? His name is Amigo. Let's say this one more time, okay? What's your name? Amigo! There you go, Amigo, it is. Now, Amigo, how would you like to greet all these nice people? He's asking, how are you? So how are you feeling? Good? It's very nice to hear. Now, Amigo here is very smart. He can count from 1 to 10 in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go! Number 10! Good job, Amigo! Hi! Alright, over here, my ladies and gentlemen. Can I introduce you first? This is Big John, our sulfur-crested cockatoo. He's actually one of the veterans in the show. Big John, I'm not done introducing yet, okay? Now, Big John here, he's over 50 years old. I'm sad I should tell you guys his age. Okay, hi, Big John. You want to be nice and say hello? Hello. Say hello. Okay, never mind. Maybe he doesn't want to speak, okay? I'm not going to force him to speak. Now, Big John, you stay right there and don't scream. Understood? Big John, no screaming, okay? Amigo is going to check. Can you hear how loud he can get? He actually doesn't even need a microphone for that. Okay, never mind. Let's continue to give me some more attention. Okay, you want to say hello? Say hello. Okay, let's try some other mimics maybe. You want to do the chicken? The chicken. Oh, that's not your chicken, that's his cough. Want to cough? Cough. Cough. Did you hear that? Okay, let's try the next song. How about you laugh? How do you laugh? Oh no. What isn't he? Okay, now ladies and gentlemen, like I mentioned earlier on, Big Johnny is over 50 years old, but through the years he's only learned how to pick up 5 sounds, okay? You just have a laugh, the chicken, the cough, and also bye-bye. Now one thing about birds like Big John, they also love to scream their heads off as well, like you can hear right now. Now one more time we scream. Okay, that's it. I think he has to head back home. He's a bit distracting right here. Big John, you want to say bye-bye before you go? Say bye-bye. Say bye. Bye-bye. Never mind, let's get up for Big John, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. You're trying to distracting right here. Okay, finally, Amigo, you can focus. No more distractions, okay? Alright, so earlier on, you heard Amigo counting in English. This time on, he's going to count in Chinese. 很好 means very good in Chinese. Now he also loves to sing. Now he can sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. Now the first song is a local children's song called Current Live, which means a guest comes to visit. Okay, are you ready? Shall we sing in Mandarin? There you go, Current Live, word for word. Second song originates from Indonesia called Rasa Sayang, which means feelings of love. Here you go, your favorite song. Rasa Sayang.
Rasa sayang, rasa sayang, ini hatinya tahu sayang, sayang.
Now finally, last song is an English song. But before Amigo starts singing, can I find out any one of you celebrating your birthdays with? So raise your hand. Any birthdays in the car from this section? No one? Okay, what about the second section? Okay, go 1, 2. Anyone else? 3. All the way up there. 4. 5. I hear someone calling me right here. 6. Okay, another young man right here. Okay, last section. 7, 8, 9. Okay, now I hope I did not tell everyone what the staircase are. I hope I did not miss out on anyone else. Now for the 10 of you, you're going to know what to do, right?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
There you go, happy birthday to you, and thank you for celebrating your birthdays right here in the bird park. Now, ladies and gentlemen, Amigo here is 1 in a million. It takes lots of years and dedication to do what he just did. Now imagine the disappointment pet owners will face if they end up with a bird just like Big John, who's either very quiet or extremely loud, okay? So with that, Amigo has done a fantastic job. It's time for him to head back home. Everyone wave and say bye-bye, Amigo! It's our time.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
And let's give up Amigo, ladies and gentlemen. Our little named Amazon parrot. Now, everyone, let me emphasize this again. Okay, high hornbill. So Vicky and myself will be coming up close to some of you, so I need your cooperation. Please remain seated at all times, alright? Now when the female hornbill wants to nest, they will look for cavities or holes in trees. right here in the bird park, we have successful breeding programs for our hornbills. This is because we give them nest boxes, very similar to that nest box right up there, okay? Now I will be coming up the staircase out. I see a lot of people sleeping at the staircase out. I need you guys to sit down. I'm going to come up very close to you, so do not attempt to touch the bird, okay? And most importantly, please remain seated at all times, alright? Okay. And I'm just going to stand right here. Vicky, you want to check out your nest box? Vicky, nest box is to your right. On your right. There you go, very cute, huh? Now what she's doing, she's checking out the inside of the nest box. And only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. Like the nest box, Vicky? Look at that, in she goes. Now once inside, the female will seal herself using soil, regurgitated food, and even her own droppings. So Vicky, if you like the nest box, you can seal it up now. That was fast. Vicky, are you still inside? Vicky? Can you see her? There she is. Now, ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes right up there. Let's welcome Sunny, Jurong Bird Park's animal icon, another great pied hornbill. So now in the wild, the female stays inside. Male will have to look for food and feed her. Now this will go on for about 3 to 4 months until the eggs are hatched. Then mother and child will leave the nest. Now ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, right here in the bird park. Okay, now when the birds are in flight, please do not attempt to put your child up, okay? This is not safe for your child. And then most importantly, once again, do not reach out to touch the bird, okay? Thank you very much. Now right here in the Jurong Bird Park, we have been successful in breeding orange-pied hornbills using nest boxes just like these. And thanks to your contribution to our conservation fund, we have successfully released these birds into nature reserve and also right here in the bird park itself. So while you're walking around the park, do look up, alright? You might be able to spot some free-flying orange-pied hornbills. Oh, hi, Sunny. Okay, now Sunny's enjoying more of his reward, and once he's done, he's going to make his flight to Azar. Oh, okay. Let's try this again. Let's get up for hornbills, ladies and gentlemen. Of the 3 trainers that are coming towards your section, okay? Okay, unless the trainers call you, please do not run towards the trainers, okay? Now also look at the macaws' wings as they fly past you. Now this helps them to shoot through branches and trees in the rainforests of South America. Unfortunately, their warplanes are losing their homes at the rate of 1 football field a day due to human development. Since all see these beautiful birds, we're simply practicing the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. So now the birds will be flying very low above your heads. I understand you guys are very excited, but photographers, please sit down. Remain seated high, the gentleman right here and the gentleman in blue. Remain seated, the lady at the staircase are as well. Okay, I need you guys to sit down so we can carry on with the show, alright? Okay, everyone seated, very good, and off goes Kaya. And off goes Vega. Beautiful fly by Vega and Kaya. How strong wing flaps, long tail feathers, and sharp eyesight. This helps these birds to remain in the front and hold on to the hook properly, because we need to attempt to get both birds in that center hoop. Okay, so we have to make sure everything is perfect for the birds. Okay? Alright, is Kaya ready? Okay, ready and go! Thank you very much, Kaya and Howard. Thank you. Okay, we have our Dalmatian Pelican. Back to Africa. Go to the long and sexy leg. Let's give it up for our greater flamingo. come to the end of our show. Now, if you'd like to bring home fond memories of our show, one of them, my colleague, has flash tours going at a special price only right here at Pools.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Susie, our American bald eagle. Thank you. The bald eagle is one of the largest bird of prey found in North America, and they're also known as the emblem of the United States of America. Now take a good look at her. You might be wondering, why are they known as bald eagles when they have feathers on their head? Well, there are two reasons to it. Number one is that the term bald is actually an old English word for white-head. And number two, when these birds are flying high up in the skies, their head will camouflage among the clouds, giving them the appearance that they are bald. Hence the name. Living near a constant source of water, these birds hunt for fish, ducks, and turtles. They can also feast on small mammals. Right, the turkey vultures can be found from the tip of Canada all the way down to the tip of South America. Now, they are the most numerous vulture species in the world, numbering way over 10 million in the wild. Now, they are able to smell out food by flying low. It means they have picked up the stench of rotting meat. Well, big birds like king vultures, which lack this unique ability, will follow the turkey vulture's lead. But it will be the job of the bigger vultures to tear open the carcasses, because turkey vultures' beaks are not strong enough to do the job. Alright, one unique fact about turkey vultures is that they have very strong stomach acid. It is close to 0 pH level. That's right. Alright, one last look at Titan as he makes his way back to his trainer. Off we go. Ladies and gentlemen, our turkey vulture. Well, we have one that is right at the back of the gentleman right there. Now everyone, please remain seated and be as quiet as possible, because you are about to experience the owl's unique ability of silent flight. Wow, I'm pretty sure none of you heard him flapping his wings. Pretty cool, right? By the way, these two birds are special to us because they were hatched and raised right here in the Jurong Bird Park. The belong is already 10 years old. Take a look at Soren right there with Dingshin. How old do you think he is? Sorry? 5 years old, ma'am. You're absolutely right. He is 5 years old. Still young, but already fully grown. And thank you very much, Soren. It's time to head back home. Bye-bye. Now talking, there you go. Alright. Raul, good afternoon to you. The southern characters can be found in South America right now. He will be demonstrating to us his natural behavior. Well done. Well known for their foraging habits, these birds are very opportunistic. They have long legs and flat claws, which enables them to overturn the rocks and sweep away the leaves easily. Now, of course, they do all this to look for food like worms and even insects. Now, I have a tree bark right here with me. Now, watch carefully what Raul will do right now. Here we go. Oh, using his beak to lift it out. Excellent job. But if the insect were to take off and fly, well, these birds are able to make vertical flights into the air to catch it, just like this. Raul, come on, focus. Awesome, but that's low. So let's try higher this time. Here we go. Excellent! Alright, by the way, southern caracaras are the largest of all caracaras. And Raul here has been with us for quite some time. In fact, he is already 30 years old. That's right. Okay, Raul, you done your job? It is time to head back inside. Ladies and gentlemen, our southern caracara. Thank you. Okay, everyone, it is time to have some fun. Our Brahmini car, here it comes. A great snatch. Awesome. Alright, but you know what, Leon? Let's do this once again. So I'm going to squirt another piece of food right here. Alright, righto, here he comes. Can he get it twice in a row? Yes, he can! Awesome! And I believe Leon here did a really good job. He was really... So ladies and gentlemen, I will be doing 3 really high throws. Let's see how many of those throws can these birds catch. But before that, we need everyone's help for this. We need everyone to count out loud together with me. Is that alright? Yes or no? Awesome, so let's get started. Here we go, and 1. That was impressive. How about you? Look at him. 2. Great. Final throw. And 3. Let's give them a big round of applause. Our Brahmini card. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope everyone is enjoying impact. You need to keep absolutely still. Can you do that?
Yes, I think so.
Yes, you think so. So Cindy, remember, do not drop this arm. If you drop this arm, instead of landing here, the bird will land on my head. Cindy, I'm already losing hair. I don't lose anymore. Right, you need to help me out here. Okay, just remember to keep it still. And whatever happens, Cindy, whatever, I need you to keep smiling for the cameras.
Okay.
Awesome. So are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Yes. Okay, how about you take one step forward, right? Not forward. Hey, not too close to the pond, alright? Okay, so Cindy, are you ready?
Yes, I
Yes.
am.
If you are, then ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Hazel! Look at her making the way! And a perfect touchdown. Big round of applause for Hazel and Cindy, everyone. Thank you. And now Hazel is going to make a way on the way to Dingshin. Thank you very much, Dingshin. So Cindy, how was it?
Heavy.
She's heavy. We
Yeah.
get to that later on, but in the meantime, I need you to put your hand down. There's nothing there. That's right. So there you go. Now take a look at Hazel right there. What type of bird of prey is she?
What type?
What type of bird? Is she a hawk, an eagle, or a vulture? They're helping you out, vulture. That's right. Then to be exact, she is a hooded vulture. The vultures are easily distinguished by the minimum to no hair on their head at all. That's right. Right, and these species can be found in the higher regions of the Himalayas and Tibet. And some migrating juveniles heading south happen to have lost their way and have ended up in various parts of Asia. Now, Genghis happens to be one of them. He was found weak and dehydrated along shopping district right here in Singapore. That was in the year 2005. Now, we rescued him and nursed him back to good health. After all, he is a survivor. Alright, Genghis, thank you very much for coming out, but it's time to make way for the rest of the beach. All the way inside, ladies and gentlemen, our Himalayan resident vulture. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a group of vultures out here, and let me introduce them to you. Now, starting with the small grey ones, and those are the white-backed vultures. And these vultures can be found in Africa. And the big brown ones are the cinereous vultures from Europe and Asia. The vultures are very important birds to the environment. They help reduce the spread of contagious diseases by feeding on carcasses. That is why they are also known as nature's cleanup crew. Now, unfortunately, some of them are rapidly declining in the wild. For example, did you know that the whiteback vultures are critically endangered? That's right. As for the Asian vulture species, the slender-billed, red-headed, and the white-rump vultures are facing extinction in the wild. By the way, we do have good news to share with all of you. Now, recently in countries such as India and Cambodia have officially banned the distribution and use of veterinary medicine containing diclofenac, a substance which poses a fatal risk to vultures. The vultures are exposed to this substance from corpses of animals, especially cattle which have ingested diclofenac previously, which can be found in medicine used to treat animals. Now, research has proven that vultures have a strong reaction to diclofenac, which can be fatal. Therefore, this ban has been phenomenal to preserve the vulture population and to prevent these birds from becoming extinct. It is indeed remarkable. And with that, everyone, after having seen all these birds of prey flown here today, I'm sure all of you would agree that they certainly deserve and merit the title, the Kings of the Sky. Thank you very much. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you have any questions regarding the bird that you saw in the show, you can approach me later on. And one last thing before I forget, please remember to take all your belongings with you. You're having a great audience. Thanks.
Inside. Natignan mo. Sige.
Hi.
There's worms over here. Can you not see them?